Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong June 1 to 15, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book. Okay, let's see Pisces. What's up with you? Energy update June 1 to 15, 2024. You have the 9 of Wands. Okay. Maaring you are trying to be strong sa situation mo ngayon. Maaring maraming responsibilities. Feeling mo mag-isa ka na lang. Wala masyadong tumutulong sa'yo. You remain strong, no? Especially to those na can be a single parent, solo parent, ganyan. Na you can still provide for your family, no? With the Queen of Pentacles here, this is having the resources that you need. Yung mga needs ninyo, no? Mga pangangailangan ninyo, kayang-kaya mong i-provide. Although it may require a lot of hard work, no? Kailangan talaga sipag, tiyaga, ayan, para makuha mo yung resulta na gusto mo. But rest assured, as long as you are really putting in the hard work, you'll be able to provide for yourself, for your family's needs. You have the 6 of Cups. So, kung meron na kayong mga anak, I think this first half ng June, you will be spending time with them, no? Or kung wala naman kayong anak, you may be doing things like, example, mga fun things together with your loved ones. Going out, mag-enjoy, going to places na kung saan you will bring out the child in you, no? Or yung tipong you are going to heal your inner child. You also have the 4 of Cups. Yeah, if it seems na may maaring may frustration kayo sa situation nyo na you want to try new things, may mga gusto kang subukan dahil maaring yung iba hindi kayo kontento sa situation ninyo, nagsistay lang kayo dyan because kailangan nyo, no? But for some of you, I think you're going to explore other options, other opportunities kung saan kayo mas magiging masaya, magiging at ease, okay? Kumbaga, hindi na kailangan na sobrang magarbo or you're going to be very competitive to the point na hindi mo na maalagaan yung sarili mo. Para sa'yo, ang importante is masaya ka, no? Satisfied ka sa situation mo at hindi stressful. Okay? So, maaring meron ka mga gagawing paraan para mapunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na less stress, no? Hindi masyadong stressful at the same time, nag-enjoy ka rin sa ginagawa mo. So, let's see the energy of your money, career, finances for Pisces. You have the 6 of Pentacles. Maaring may mga meetings kang pupuntahan related sa business, trabaho, career mo. And you might be asking for advice or tulong, no? Galing sa iba kung paano nila napaunlad yung sarili nila. Sabi nga, sa mga business na advice or even sa career advice, you have to surround yourself with people na much better than you. Kasi, sila yung tutulong sa'yo, no? Magbibigay sila ng advice kung paano nila narating yung tagumpay na yan. You also have the Queen of Wands, so there's more freedom for you. I think you're going to express your creativity. Kung ikaw ay nasa creative job, mas mag-e-excel ka dyan. Yan yung strength mo. Yan yung dyan ka magaling, no? So, kailangan mas i-improve mo pa yan. And I think isa sa mga gagawin mo, hingi ka ng tulong sa mga taong naging successful na sa kanilang career, sa kanilang business, para magawa mo rin yung mga techniques na nagawa nila, yung mga strategy nila para maging successful. So, sa inyo namang love life, let's see, you have the King of Swords, feminine energy. You have the 4 of Swords. I think, no, if you are single right now, you prefer to just be single. Yung parang hindi ka naghahanap sa ngayon ng romantic connection. you want to focus on developing yourself. Mas gusto mo ngayon na may explore pa tungkol sa sarili mo. Kumbaga mas logical ka mag-isip pagdating sa relationship. Na kung sa tingin mo itong isang tao na to ay hindi magbibigay sa'yo ng, kumbaga wala siyang maiambag sa buhay mo, you will detach yourself from this person. Kumbaga iiwasan mo. Pero kung ikaw ay in a relationship ngayon, I think you will ask for space, no, sa person mo. Hindi naman kailangan maghiwalay, but maaring marami kang realization of your relationship kung gusto mo pa bang magpatuloy, no? So may possibility na in the future maayos nyo, or may possibility naman na you may have different plans, no? Mag-iba na yung plano mo sa buhay na gusto mo ng freedom, gusto mo ng space. Para kasing marami kang realizations of your potentials na gusto mo pang magawa na walang pumipigil sa'yo. So not unless kung ikaw ang person mo ay very supportive of you, so walang problema doon. But if there are some people na will try to control you about kung ano yung dapat maging ikaw, no? So I think you will try to separate from those people. So yeah, you are going to study, learning new things, improving your mindset, acquiring more knowledge, and also yourself, no? Taking care of yourself. Maaring you are going to i-improve mo yung iyong physical appearance. You want to be more presentable. Maaring may magbabago ng hair, papagupit, papastyle ninyo. You also have romance. So, pwedeng merong attraction. If you're single, you may attract some people. Pero, syempre, yung iba sa inyo, mataas na ang inyong standards. Hindi na kayo basta-basta papasok sa relationship or connection na alam nyong walang patutunguhan or hindi beneficial. Let's see. Yes, you are going to be more bold, no? Pagdating sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Maaring meron ka ring journey, meron kang mga paglalakbay na ipupurso mo, can be related sa business, career, trailblazer. So, I think you are focusing on creating something new, no? Can be sa career, sa business mo. And maaring iba sa inyo may kasama kayo rito, meron kayong partner, may tumutulong sa inyo. Okay. If there is someone na sa tingin nyo it's kind of toxic sa buhay ninyo, you might step away from that situation. Yes, and focus on yung mga taong loyal sa'yo, yung mga tao talagang nagmamahal sa'yo. So, if you are, but this can apply sa mga romantic connections, relationships, ganyan. So, I think for some of you, you will focus on the family. Yung family kasi hindi lang yan yung birth family mo, but also yung mga tao na nakikilala mo sa journey mo, na pwede mong masabi na family mo, no? Not by birth, but family by choice. Ganyan. So, for you, you don't want to be in a limited situation, no? Mas gusto mo ngayon na mag-explore, be more independent. Great awakening. Walk in your truth. Stand firm in your light. How can you trust yourself more? Ayan. So, ito yung paninindigan sa iyong sarili, sa mga decisions mo. Hindi ka natatakot na lakbayin yung gusto mong landas na tahakin. Kahit na kailanganin na mag-isa ka lang. Ang importante is naniniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Okay? You stand in your truth. May mga times kasi na hindi natin magawa ang isang bagay kasi akala natin kailangan natin ng taong to or ng ganitong resources. Pero sa totoo lang, we can create our own resources. And mismo sarili natin. It's our own resource. Kailangan lang natin paganahin ang ating creativity. So, for some of you, you are awakening from that. You want to explore. Parang more on freedom ito para sa inyo, Pisces. You want to see what's ahead of you, ano yung parating, and at the same time, naliliwanagan ka sa mga bagay na gusto mo at sa mga bagay na ayaw mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!